Okay, since my silver stuff is already out from the silver mix I just did, I'm going to do a silver and purple. Why not? So, I'm going to use everything silver that I use, but I am going to just do whatever silver or purple, pinkish, you know, somewhere along that line. This is oh, that was like small glitter dot. This is purple holographic pencil. Some fine purple. Some different kind of fine purple. It's almost the exact same color, so. Okay. This is some lighter holographic purple fine glitter. Like a fuchsia square dots. That's a lot. Purple fuchsia, whatever. Light purple holographic pencil. Let's do some silver micro beads. Some silver. Where is it? Yeah, these are pretty much the same. So. Let's give this a mix. Fun. Fun, fun, fun. Okay. What is this? Oh. Woo! Okay. Oh. Making a mess, making a mess, making a mess. Oh yeah. That is pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Add a few more of these. Add them all. If we can get them all. Yeah, see? These are stoops of the plastic. Makes me mad. And that was some neon small hexies that I got from Alma Tweety. Oh my Jesus, look at this mix. Wow. It's so pretty. Okay, let's add some more silver tinsel. Since I've got two kinds of purple in there. Oh yeah. I have, you know what, be patient, wait a minute. Some purple glow-in-the-dark sand. I don't know if it works. I haven't tested it. Let's just open that. Way too big. Okay. Hopefully this glows. Like I said, I haven't tested these. Should have, huh? And there it is. And See that? Okay, and then this was the, you know, I got silver all out here. And then this is a silver that holographic that I made, and it's got these black hollowed stars in them. So that is beautiful. Very pretty mixes. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.